Your data is breaking.
Yeah.
First-party identity systems are the solution.
Yeah.
Seamless connections.
Yeah.
Your data, secure.
If you use AI tools regularly, you know the immediate tell. Text packed with overly enthusiastic phrasing, endless decorative words, and robotic cheer. In the next 5 minutes, we are going to fix that. We will build a custom AI expert, often called a gem, trained to generate text with absolute clarity, restraint, and precision. Step 1. Open your preferred AI platform and navigate to the Custom Instructions or Custom Expert Builder interface. Doing this gives the AI permanent behavioral rules. Instead of fighting default settings in every new chat, you lock in a professional baseline that applies automatically. Look at the Custom Instructions text box. To get precise output, the instructions you write here must follow a strict architectural framework. This diagram shows 4 components: persona, task, context, and format. First, assign the persona, like expert design consultant. Second, define the task. Create a concise tagline. Third, provide context, for a washing machine. Finally, dictate format, a bulleted list. As you fill out this framework, apply the 3 C's rule. Keep the text concise, clear, and consistent. Vague instructions force the system to guess your intent, which leads to incorrect outputs. Securing this specific 4-part foundation prevents the AI from wandering off topic. Once the system knows exactly what it is doing, we can apply strict behavioral constraints to control how it writes. Now we move from what the AI should write to how it must behave. We do this through artificial restraint. We will base this restraint on the industrial designer Dieter Rams. His core design philosophy is simple: less but better. This is a Braun calculator designed under Rams' direction. Notice the stark, purely functional interface, completely free of unneeded decoration. We translate this physical design philosophy into our text prompt. Type in the instruction: prioritize utility first, favor function over form. Next, strip away the assistant persona. Instruct the AI that it is a tool, not a companion. Explicitly forbid conversational filler. Ban all emojis and introductory pleasantries. If you test this and the AI still responds with, "Certainly, I hope this helps," your constraints are too weak. You must return to the instructions and reinforce them. By forcing the AI to act strictly as a utilitarian tool, you strip out the decorative text that dilutes professional communication. The final and most critical step in hiding the artificial nature of the text is applying negative constraints, telling the AI exactly what not to do. Large language models statistically over-rely on a specific set of vocabulary words. When these appear, they flag the text as machine-generated. Create a strict banned vocabulary list. Outlaw words like delve and tapestry. Ban the rule of 3. Phrases like fast, secure, and reliable are padding. Forbid negative parallelisms like not just X, but Y. Finally, ban transitional fillers like furthermore. Finally, command the system to use basic verbs like is or are. This prevents it from reaching for inflated corporate jargon like serves as or represents. Save your new custom gem. Run a test prompt immediately to check the output. Evaluate the result for lingering formatting tells, like excessive boldface or a standalone conclusion header. If you see them, iterate your prompt to explicitly ban those behaviors as well. This dense network of negative constraints acts as an automated filter. It forces the output away from statistical averages, resulting in a clean, human-sounding baseline. Here is the text generated by the newly constrained AI. Look at the right side. The text is entirely self-explanatory and precise. The AI fluff that normally requires manual editing is gone. Because you saved this as a custom gem, you have permanent access to this expert baseline. You do not have to retype the rules. By combining a rigid 4-part framework with aggressive negative constraints, you lock in the parameters. The unpredictable generative machine becomes a highly specialized professional writing instrument.